Noswaith dda, bawb. Diolch am wrando. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for listening. Graddau TGAU'n aros yn sefydlog wrth I filoedd dderbyn eu canlyniadau yng Nghymru. GCSE grades remain stable as thousands receive their results in Wales. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif 300 cant ar 9. Cant a 9. Sorry. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif 300 cant a 9. Series 4 and episode number 359. Scrabble. So I'm spelling it Sgrabl. Scrabble. Sgrabl. The game Scrabble. So I've on social media for last week or so. I've been starting a game off on my own because there's a couple of people who've commented actually, and thanks for likes and other things as well. So, but let's get a game of Scrabble going. And I've made a thing today in today's lesson. If you look on the web lesson or if you look on social media, there'll be a link to it, like a helper, so that when you're playing Scrabble, it's hard. Not everyone's good at it, and I'm quite good at English. I look like I'm going to be good at it in Welsh as well. So, but I'm just getting into it. So if anybody else wants to try it out, but otherwise just check it out. And there's like this helper thing anyway, so it'll probably introduce you to some other words or some idea anyway. And you can go on to the URL with the letters as well. I'll show that in the web lesson as well and in social media. So there's YouTube or Instagram or X really that I'm posting on at the moment. So just have a look there. Yeah, anyway, so today's episode is about Scrabble, and I've done the rules. There's a link there for the game, Scrabble in Welsh, on Steam. And I've not tried it because I've pulled off gaming. I had a problem with my computer, but I don't think it was anything to do with Steam. So I've not tried it yet. But, yeah, you could try that game out. So Scrabble, a virtual version of it, if you haven't got a board. And then there's a link to when it first came out, a news item about 20 years ago. And then there's another news item from about 15 years ago where they were having a bit of a moan in the press, sort of saying that no boards have been sold at this particular shop in the Welsh version, trying to make out that nobody likes Welsh or anything, something like that. It's just one shop, I think, and whatever. But yeah, you can buy Scrabble, and lots of people buy it, and it's got good reviews. It has got its quirks. You're not supposed to play with mutations really, but it's better if you do because you get more option of words for learners, and there's lots of mutations that helps you with that as well. But yeah, so some tutors play with sort of mutations allowed. Others might allow you to use plural or I don't know, whatever you might want. Any rules you might want to bend it just to make it easy. That's fine. But essentially, you're just trying to see words and the words in front of you, aren't you? So get more familiarity with words. Anyway, here goes. I'm going to read out these rules. Rheolau Scrabble Cymraeg, Welsh Scrabble rules. Nod a game. Aim of the game. Nod a game yw ennill cymaint o bwyntiau a phosbl drwy greu geiriau Cymraeg ar y bwrdd gan ddefnyddio'r llythrennau sydd gennych. The aim of the game is to score as many points as possible by creating Welsh words on the board using the letters you have. Dechrau'r game. Starting the game. Mae pob chwaraewr yn cymryd 7 teilsen, llythyren ar ddechrau'r game. Each player takes 7 tiles at the start of the game. Mae'r chwaraewyr yn cymryd eu tro I osod geiriau ar y bwrdd. Players take turns placing words on the board. Rhaid i'r gair cyntaf fynd drwy'r sgwâr yng nghanol y bwrdd. The first word must pass through the square in the centre of the board. Creu geiriau, making words. Rhaid I bob gair fod yn air Cymraeg dilys. Every word must be a valid Welsh word, like I've talked about. Gellir gosod geiriau ar draws neu I lawr, ond nid yn groeslunol. Words can be placed across or down, but not diagonally. Ar ôl y gair cyntaf, rhaid I bob gair newydd cysylltu â gair sydd eisoes ar y bwrdd, after the first word, every new word must connect to a word already on the board. Rhaid i'r holl eiriau sy'n cael eu creu yn ystod y tro fod yn eiriau Cymraeg dilys. All words created during a turn must be valid Welsh words. So if you cross two horizontal lines by two letters, those two-letter words that are made up vertically have to be words, for instance. It's just an example. I'll look up the rules anyway. This is just to use Welsh, really. Just writing instructions instead. Right, where are we? Llythrennau Cymraeg, Welsh letters. Mae Scrabble Cymraeg yn defnyddio llythrennau'r wyddor Gymraeg. Welsh Scrabble uses the letters of the Welsh alphabet. Mae edd, f, eng, eth, f, rhi, a, eth. I think that's how you pronounce that one. TH. That's yn llythrennau unigol yn yr wyddor Gymraeg. CH, D, F, NG, L, PH, RH, and TH are individual letters in the Welsh alphabet. Felly, pan fo teilsen arbennig ar gyfer un o'r llythrennau hyn, mae'n cael ei chwarae fel un llythyren. Where are we? Therefore, when there is a special tile for one of these letters, it is played as a single letter. Sgorio, scoring, mae gan bob teilsen werth pwyntiau. Each tile has a points value. Cyfrifwch werth yr holl llythrennau yn y gair I gael eich score. Add up the value of all the letters in the word to calculate your score. Gallai sgwariau ar y bwrdd ddyblu neu dreblu gwerth, llythyren neu air. Some squares on the board can double or triple the value of a letter or word. Dim ond y tro cyntaf y gosodir teilsen ar sgwar bonus y mae'r bonus yn cyfrif. A bonus square, like the double or the treble, only counts the first time a tile is placed on it. So as you build more words through that horizontally, after you've got a vertical word, for instance, you don't count it again, the double up or the treble up. And so on, where are we? Os ydych chi'n defnyddio pob un o'ch 7 teilsen mewn un tro, rydych chi'n cael bonus o 50 points. If you use all 7 of your tiles in one turn, you receive a bonus of 50 points. Woo woo! Like the game I did on online that I've started off. Can't remember what the word is off the top of my head. No, it's gone again. Right. Ar ôl eich tro, after your turn, dwyrain, that was the word, with a N as using a blank letter. So if you've got blanks, you can use them as any letter, but you don't get a point from. After playing a word, ar ôl eich tro, after your turn, ar ôl chwarae gair, cymerwch deils newydd o'r bag, neu bod gennych 7 teilsen eto, os oes digon ar ôl. After playing a word, take new tiles from the bag until you have 7 tiles again, if enough remain. Os nad ydych chi'n gallu neu ddim eisiau chwarae gair, gallwch gyfnewid rhai o'ch teils am rai newydd, os oes digon o deils ar ôl yn y bag. If you cannot or do not want to play a word, you can exchange some of your tiles for new ones, if enough tiles remain in the bag. Gallwch hefyd basio eich tro heb chwarae gair. You can also pass your turn without playing a word. Diwedd y game. End of the game. Mae'r game yn dod I ben pan nad oes teils ar ôl yn y bag ac mae un chwaraewr wedi defnyddio ei holl deils. The game ends when there is no tiles left in the bag and one player has used all their tiles. Tynnu'r gwerth y teils sydd ar ôl meddiant pob chwaraewr o'i sgôr. The value of the tiles remaining in each player's possession is deducted from their score. Y chwaraewr sydd â'i sgôr uchaf sy'n ennill. The player with the highest score wins. Yes, it's so much fun, isn't it? Yeah, and made this tool, as I've said, it's there, learnwelshfast.com/Scrabble, SGRABL. And you can use the blank on there, or you can, whatever letters you want to do. And it shows you how to do it in the URL as well. So if you need to pass the link to someone with them letters and the available words as a fancy little option, I don't know. You might use that. Anyway, so that's that. That's the Scrabble. Start giving me some suggestions using the tool or using your own ideas. On the social media, help me out, put some comments on, like a few things, I don't know, help us out, pass it on. And there's the tool. These are the words for today, some new ones. Scrabble, SGRABL, but I've written Scrabble SC there as well, so I'll have to adjust that. Pwyntiau, points, soft mutation of pwyntiau, teilsen, tile. Llythyren, lythyren, letter, soft mutation of llythyren. Gysylltu, connect, soft mutation of gysylltu. Wyfor or wyddor, alphabet, soft mutation of gwyddor or gwyddor. Cyfrifwch, count as a command. Score, score in the game, S-C-O-R-E in English. S-G-O-R, with a roof over the O in Welsh. Sgwariau, squares, plural of sgwar. Ddyblu, that's double, soft mutation of doubly. Dreblu, that's treble, soft mutation of treblu. Gosodir, there is putting, or there will be putting. So present or future, impersonal of gosod, which means to set, put, place, them kind of words. Bonus is bonus. Och, O apostrophe CH is O as a preposition from, plus CH, not what I've written there. From or of your, from your or of your. Dales, tiles, soft mutation of tails. Gyfnewid, barter, exchange, trade, alter, change them sorts of words. Tails is tiles, plural of tailsen that we had before. And we've had dalesen as well, which was the soft mutation of that. And dales, would be that. Where are they all gone, them words? Tails, yeah, tiles. Basio is pass, soft mutation of pasio. Tunir, there is pulling or there will be pulling. So that's an impersonal future or present. In the formal, tunir. From tunny, T-Y-N-N-U, to pull. You've pulled, get your coat, that kind of thing. Yeah, and pull your teeth out and take a picture, funny enough. Pull a picture, tunny clean. And draw a picture as well, sort of. As well, so tunny to take a picture, to draw a picture. Pull the curtains, tunny. That would be that as well. Tunny is a weird word. It can be used in all sorts of different ways. Have a look at it on a dictionary. Moving down to the news. Dyn o rythyn o honnodd ei fod yn filiwnydd ac yn glaf cancer, wedi garcharu am dwyll. A man from Ruthin who claimed to be a millionaire and a cancer patient has been jailed for fraud. Cyhyddo 5 yn ei harddegau wedi tân mewn adeilad hanesyddol. 5 teenagers charged after a fire in a historic building. Calon y teulu. Teyrnged I fenw 45 oed o gwm dilais a fwfarw wedi gwrthdrawiad. The Heart of the Family, tribute to a 45-year-old woman from Cwm Dilais, who died after a collision. Enbyd, adrannau brys ysbytau Cymru yn cofnodi ei mis prysuraf erioed. Desperate, Welsh hospital emergency departments record their busiest month ever. Month, that's my accent coming out sometimes. Month. Boy. Gwersi yw dysgu o danau gwyllt medd un o weinidogion Llywodraeth Cymru. Gwersi yw dysgu o danau gwyllt medd un o weinidogion Llywodraeth Cymru. Lessons to be learned from wildfires, says a Welsh government minister. And today's song, like rap type of thing, is Does dim stopio, my film yn rholio. There's no stopping, the film is rolling. Cadwch y camera'n dalwch for recordio. Keep the camera steady while recording. Does neb yn gwylio, pwy sy'n gwrando. No one is watching. Who is listening? Mae rhywun yn licio o fan hyn dan ni'n hwylio. Someone is liking. From here we are sailing. Ta-ta, hwfal, gofalwch nawr. Bye, goodbye, take care now. Brig o dysgwyr, cam mawr I lawr. Top of the learners, big step down. Munud wrth funud ac awr wrth awr. Minute by minute and hour by hour. Nawr dwi'n agor yn tynnu fy nglawr. Now I'm opening up, removing my cover. Nid yw hyn yn rhywbeth dych chi isio. This is not something you want. Dim ond rhywbeth yw hyn dwi'n ceisio. This is just something I'm trying. And that's it. This is the song. Thanks for listening. Ta-ra. Does dim stopio, my film yn rolio.
Cerwch y camel o'n ffon i lwff recordio neb yn gwylio. Pwy sy'n gwrando? Mae rhywun yn licio fan hyn, dyn ni'n hwylio. Tata hwraw, a gyfarlwch naw. Brig o dysgwyr, camaw i law. Munud wrth munud ac awr wrth awr. Nawr dwi'n agor, dwi'n tynnu fy nglaw. Nid yw hyn yn rhywbeth dych chi isio, dim ond rhywbeth yw hyn dwi'n ceisio. Nid yw hyn yn rhywbeth dych chi isio, dim ond rhywbeth yw hyn dwi'n ceisio.